Good morning, Internet. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of the DJI Mic 2 versus the DJI Mic Mini. So here I have both of the microphones, the Mini, the 2, and we're going to be placing both of these on the chin strap of my motorcycle helmet while cruising around on this, and we're going to see how they compare. So I'm going to be recording on the GoPro. Now the Mic Mini does not record internally, but it does link to the GoPro, so I already have that linked up. So once this powers on, it's automatically going to be sending the signal onto this video, and this is going to record standalone internally. This is a cool feature which I kind of love. This one I wish it had that, but it doesn't. So whatever you record on this is not going to record internally, but rather just to the device that you're recording on, whether it's an Osmo, a GoPro, an iPhone, or whatever it is. While this one also records internally. So basically for this test, I want to see which sounds better, the 32-bit float versus the auto leveling. So they're both set to -5 gain, and the noise reduction is completely turned off on both microphones. So let's get started and let's see how they sound. Okay, so the microphones are set up. Let's ride. We're going to do a mix of highway and city driving. We're currently at Markham Park in Sunrise, Florida. Let's roll. So once we exit the park, we're going to head on State Road 84 going westbound. And then we're going to head through Weston on the way back. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of talking throughout the trip. But mainly I'm going to stay quiet and just let you guys hear how the microphones sound. How they sound with the engine noise and the ambient noise. I'm going to close my visor and see if that reduces the wind noise at all. But I have this big windshield here, so that's going to do most of the work. So this is State Road 84, we're heading westbound. We have the Everglades on the right side, we have Weston on the left, Highway 595. And if you keep taking this road straight west, you're going to end up in Naples, Florida. Let me know what you guys think of the audio so far. I'll have no way to know until I get back and put it in the computer. But I'm basically just going to post the audio as is without editing everything. And once again, both microphones are set to gain at -5, and noise reduction is turned off on both of them. All right, so now we're going to be doing a little bit more slow riding. Got the visor open again. Such a nice day today. It's about 72 degrees. Yeah, it's November. No, actually it's December. It's approaching mid-December, and we're still sweating down here in South Florida. Oh, got me good there.